Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable promotions notifications on your Hinge app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click your own photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here, so then it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here, then you click here on push notifications, you just click on it. Then you come to this list, you come here to promotions, just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's many promotions notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.